Asian Games sa China pero kailangan munang humanap ng koponan ng papalit sa nagbitiw nilang coach. Magbabalita si Marty Bautista.
Gilas aside from Jordan Clarkson.
Matapos talunin ang China sa last game ng classification phase, nagtapos sa 24th spot ang Gilas Pilipinas sa final rankings ng FIBA World Cup. Although isa lang ang naipanalo sa 5 laro, sapat na ang tambak na panalo kontra China para makapasok ang Gilas sa Olympic qualifying tournament next year. Pero bago sumabak dyan, shift muna ang focus sa parating na Asian Games sa Hangzhou, China this month. Yun nga lang, marami ang mawawala sa World Cup roster ng Gilas dahil magbabalikan na sa kani-kanilang liga ang ibang players, gaya ni Kai Soto, AJ Edu at Jordan Clarkson. Isa pang priority ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas ang paghahanap ng papalit sa nag-resign na si Coach Chot Reyes.
I always said that, judge us on the performance in the World Cup, regardless of what happened between the time I was appointed and today. I said, judge us by our performance. And obviously, we did not perform. We didn't perform, and like I said the last game, I take full accountability. And because of that, I think it is time for me to step aside.
Sa ngayon, may ilang matutunog na pangalan na posibleng pumalit kay Coach Chot. Kabilang dyan ang former coach ng koponan na si Rajko Thoraman